Oh, this is going to be fun. I've got all viscose knits, well, exception of one, and all two-way knits, exception of one. So the goal is today to really introduce many of you who have not tried our viscose knits, because they're amazing, to try them. So they're all priced at $14.99 today and tomorrow, or until they're gone. And I just want to share them with you. They're just really fun. So this is a viscose knit. Now this is a lightweight. You can see it's a sheer. You can kind of see the fabrics behind it when I hold it up. Not a sheer, but it's pretty. It's very pretty. It's like a burnout, but it's not a burnout because it's 100% viscose. But anyway, it has stretch in one direction, and it has great drape, and the colors are beautiful. The colors are brown, black, an orange, a beautiful hot pink in there, milk. It's not a white, it's a milk, but it's got black and brown in it, so it's really pretty, just really pretty. All right, and this is a repeating panel. It repeats about every yard or so. Again, stretch in both directions, 100% viscose. Just great for a little top. Be really fun. All right, and this is beautiful. I don't think it's black or brown. I think it's somewhere in between. It's like a scuba, but it's very lightweight. It has stretch in both directions. And this is a cotton poly. I said there was an exception. This is a cotton poly. But really, again, pretty fabric. You can see how well it matches with pretty much all of them. This is a brown. It's got a little bit of salmon in there. It has stretch in both directions, and it's 100% viscose. Just fun fabric. Again, they're $14.99, y'all. And this is a solid brown. It's got stretch in both directions, lightweight, great. And this is also, just isn't they pretty together? All the colors are just really pretty. This goes with everything. So it's just a fun little new outfit. This has, sorry about that. This is actually made in France. And it has kind of a burnt orange and brown and tan in there. It has stretch in both directions, and it's 100% viscose. You can see the drape is incredible. All right, so the goal, $14.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.